So, hey guys, what's up? I hope that you're doing well with your studies, and now I'm here again to help you with your studies of future perfect continuous tense. Can you imagine how fast we're going? That's really great. And now this is the our last part of future perfect tense. The topic name is future perfect continuous tense. Let's see how it is formed now. Structure of it. Subject will have been present participle verb plus ing. You know what is present participle mean if you have seen my past videos. So, subject will have been and present participle. This is how it's formed. Now, let's see what's the usage of it. Used to emphasize the duration of an action that will be continue up to a certain point in the future. Used to emphasize, used to emphasize the duration of an action that will continue up to a certain point in the future. So the emphasize the duration of the action leading up to a future point. Let's see the example and we will understand the usage of it in that only. By the next month, I will have been studying Spanish for a year. By the next month, I will have been studying Spanish for a year. Okay, I understand this now. So see, by the next month, she is going to learn Spanish for a year. So you see how it is by the next month, okay? They that have a duration between that. By the next month, there is 1 month left, and between that, she will just start the Spanish for learning for a year. So you see how it is worked. And now you see this, let's see this one. Future perfect continuous tense. Emphasize the during of the action leading up for the future point. This is a future point. Like by the next month, I will have been studying Spanish for a year. She's saying that she will study Spanish for a year. And this point is telling us that she will be going to do that in future. So you see how it is worked, you see how it is structured, and you see how it is formed. Let's see how it is formed here. By the next month, I will have been studying Spanish for a year. I will have been and studying Spanish for a year. Studying is the present participle because it has a progressive tense. ing in the end ing in the end describes that this is a present participle of the verb. So you see how it is worked, you see how it is formed, and you see how it is used. So now I'll just say goodbye. It's hurting, but I'll just say goodbye. I'm leaving you guys, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.